Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very powerful data recovery tool that can bring back almost anything you've lost, whether it's photos, videos, documents, or anything else that suddenly went missing. You can use this tool on almost any storage device, your computer, USB drives, memory cards, and even network storage drives. So no matter where you lost your data, this tool gives you a solid chance to bring it back. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily recover your files, even if you've never used a recovery tool before. So let's jump right in. The first step is to open the EaseUS website. I've added the link in the video description so you can easily access it directly from there. Once you're there in the official website, then click the free download button and the setup file will start downloading. After the download is complete, right-click on the file and select Open. This will launch the EaseUS installer. Click the Install Now button and it will download the necessary files and install the program on your system. It might take a few minutes, so just be patient while it finishes up. Once the installation is complete, this is what EaseUS application interface looks like. At the very top, you'll see the heading, Select a location to search for lost data. Now, I've already connected my USB drive, and later in this video, I'll show you step by step how to recover data from it. But before that, let's quickly go over the options you get here. You can scan and recover data from external drives like USB or memory cards, and of course from your internal hard drive or SSD. EaseUS even gives you options to recover data directly from the recycle bin, desktop, or documents folder, which is super handy if you accidentally deleted something important. And on top of that, you'll also see the option to recover from a cloud drive. So basically, no matter where you lost your files from an external drive, your PC, or even a specific folder, you can easily bring them back using this tool. On the left-hand side, you'll notice several powerful recovery options. Under hard disk drives, you'll see the SD card option, perfect if you need to recover photos, videos, or files from your memory card. Next, there's NAS and Linux support, which lets you connect your NAS device or Linux system and recover lost data directly. Then comes RAID recovery, which is super handy if you're working with any kind of RAID setup and accidentally lose files. Now, moving on to the advanced features, this is where things get even more interesting. You'll find the Lost Partition Rescue option, which allows you to bring back partitions that were accidentally deleted or formatted, like during a Windows installation. This is a really powerful feature because mistakes like that can happen to anyone. And finally, there's Crashed PC recovery. If your system is stuck in a boot failure, showing a blue or black screen of death, or stuck in an endless repair loop, this tool can help. It lets you create a bootable drive, plug it into your PC, and rescue your data even when the system won't start properly. So, these are some really impressive tools built into EaseUS. Now, let me show you how it actually works in practice. For example, let's say you've got a USB drive where you accidentally deleted some files. Just plug it into your system, select the drive, and click on Search for Lost Data. The software will immediately start scanning your USB, even checking for bad sectors, to recover as much data as possible. After a few minutes, you'll start to see the recovery results appear, just like you can see on my screen right now. It's already showing some of the files it managed to bring back. Let me quickly show you my USB drive. As you can see, it's currently empty, there is no data, but with this tool, I was able to recover my previously deleted files. Now, all you need to do is select the files you want to restore, click on the Recover button, and then choose a destination path where you'd like to save them. The recovery process will begin, and the time it takes depends on the size and number of files. Bigger files or multiple selections might take a little longer. Once it's done, you can open the destination folder and check your recovered files. And that's it. That's how you can easily bring back deleted or lost data. This same method works not only for USB drives, but also for memory cards, internal storage, and even external drives. So, that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments if you have any. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.